Good morning and welcome to my office.
Long story short, I've been searching for co-working office spaces since last summer, and with the current pandemic, I wanted one that prioritized smaller numbers on the property, daily sanitation policies, and social distancing restrictions. Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to my channel and a very exciting day ahead. Really quick, I think this is the first time you're seeing the short hair on this channel. I donated about 8 inches of hair last week. For today's agenda, I'm going to work in my very first co-working space. Like I showed you in the beginning of this video, I've been kind of hesitant to try out co-working spaces just because of social distancing, but this one has assured me that they only let in a certain number of people to keep social distancing. Every hour they do sanitation, so we're gonna see, and I'm gonna give a review at the end of the day. And while in the co-working space, I've got a lot going on. I've got a video going live in a half an hour. I've got a proofread and a proofreader coming for my OutSchool course creation guide. If you don't know what that is, or you do and you're interested, information on how to sign up for my mailing list so you can get that. It'll already be out by the time you see this video, but of course I will have default emails going out. So if you want the OutSchool course creation guide, if you are a teacher on OutSchool or a prospective teacher and you want a full walkthrough of everything I did to ensure kids are gonna see your classes, they'll be memorable, and they will come back to your classroom, get your free copy of my OutSchool course creation guide. That's coming out. I've got 2 videos to edit on my channel, and I've got a video for Christopher to edit. I actually just made a really long list so I can look productive and professional in front of anybody who's in a co-working space, which makes no sense, Kristen. But anyway, big day ahead of us. It has been raining, as I'm sure you can see out this window, so we'll see how long this lasts. But I will see you guys at Starbucks. My first impression of this co-working space was that the interior design was perfect. All the desks had been beautifully spaced out, there were open windows, and I was greeted by their very friendly staff the second I walked in the door. Honestly, the last time I was working in an office was during my year-long stint in corporate America, and there were times I did have to remind myself that I wasn't reporting to anyone in this space. During this day, I did pack my lunch and use the kitchen space. Their sanitation policies closed the kitchen every 45 minutes for the staff to wipe down the counters. There were glass cups and bowls available, but also because we were in this pandemic, they offered plastic utensils and cups for those that just wanted to use it and dispose of it. During this day in the co-working space, I had 3 big tasks to complete. My biggest one was having my e-guide for OutSchool teachers proofread and read aloud by my editor before sending it out to my email list. Thanks again, Catherine, for taking the time to read each slide and question every grammatical feature in that guide. We have gotten nothing but positive results, and I thank you. Early in the afternoon, I moved my personal office space to the meditation room to sit in the most comfortable chairs and do initial Zoom calls with some prospective assistants. Being in that space really helped me feel relaxed as I spoke to people about my goals and putting together a team. All in all, I would definitely recommend a co-working space to anyone looking to expand their work from home scenery. I did find that I needed my task list and timers to stay productive, as I could have honestly just enjoyed the interior design all day long. I think after being in quarantine over 115 days, just being in a different space is so exciting. hope you guys enjoyed this little tour of my office space for the day. If you did, let me know by giving it a huge thumbs up and click that subscription button and the bell to be updated for each and every future video. I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.